trails are meant to be driven, conquered, crushed. Explore those trails with the ARIES TrailCrusher Jeep bumper. Available for the TJ, JK, and JL, the TrailCrusher is made to outmatch every other bumper in its class. The narrow width and high ground clearance of this bumper allows you to traverse the toughest terrain. With a heavy-duty welded steel construction for both the front and rear, these bumpers are the toughest on the trail. These bumpers are built with a stout 1/4-inch welded shoulder sleeve at the shackle mounts, boasting an impressive winch and shackle rating for reliable recovery. The TrailCrusher installs easily to the frame of your Jeep with no drilling or pump relocation and can accommodate most winches. To add extra protection for the winch, the TrailCrusher offers an optional angular brush guard, completing the customized look. Adding to the toughness of this bumper, it features a highly durable carbide black powder coat finish that stands up to the bumps and scratches along the ride. When you head out with your Jeep, don't just ride the trails, crush the trails with the ARIES TrailCrusher bumper.